Great morning, everyone. 10th class student, we were discussing chapter number 6. Our next topic is excretion. So, what do you mean by excretion? Excretion क्या होता है? Excretion is the process by which waste products produced during the metabolic activities is removed from the body. So, basically, it is the removal of wastage from the body. These wastes can be in the form of carbon dioxide gases also. Carbon dioxide also is act as a waste for our body. Next, sweat is also a waste for our body. Various type of nitrogenous waste are accumulated inside our body during the breakdown of proteins. So that wastes need to be excreted out from the body. So this process of excreting the waste product from the body is called excretion. In unicellular organism, this process of excretion occurs with the help of diffusion. यूनिसेल्यूलर ऑर्गेनिज्म में ये एक्सक्रीशन की प्रोसेस डिफ्यूज़न की प्रोसेस से हो रही है. एंड इन मल्टीसेल्यूलर ऑर्गेनिज्म, for removing out the waste product out from their body, they are having some special organs for removing the waste from their body. Now we will discuss the excretion in human being. Human excretory system consists of pair of kidneys. There are two kidneys. These are the two pair of kidneys and pair of ureters. These are the pair of ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. These are the main organs of human excretory system. Each kidney has number of excretory units called nephrons. हर एक किडनी में each kidney has a number of excretory unit. It has excretory unit known as nephrons. Nephrons are present inside each kidney. Now we are discussing the functioning of every part of the excretory system. First I am telling you about the kidneys. These are the pair of kidneys. They contain the nephrons. Nephrons are present inside the kidney, which are the filtering unit. These nephrons act as the filtering units. Next is the pair of ureter. These are the two pairs of ureter arising from the each kidney. These are the pair of ureter arising from the each kidney. They connect the kidney with the urinary bladder. ये kidney और urinary bladder. This is the urinary bladder. ये kidney और urinary bladder को connect कर रहा है. They connect the kidney with the urinary bladder and transport the urine from the kidney. Transport the urine from the kidney. Next is the urinary bladder. This is urinary bladder. Urine is stored in the urinary bladder. Here urine is stored. Next part is the urethra. This is the last part, that is urethra. It is a duct which takes urine from the bladder to the exterior. यूरिनरी ब्लैडर में जो यूरिन स्टोर था वो यूरेथ्रा के थ्रू बाहर एग्जिट हो जाएगा. यूरेथ्रा इज द ओपनिंग फॉर पासिंग आउट द यूरिन. Now I am explaining you about the structure of nephrons. You know, nephrons are the filtering units. Filtering units present in the kidney. Nephrons are the filtering unit present in the kidneys. Nephrons having this C-shaped structure is known as Bowman's capsule. First, this C-shaped structure known as Bowman capsule, and Bowman capsule contain many blood capillaries known as glomerulus. Glomerulus are the blood capillaries present in the Bowman's capsule. उसके बाद क्या होगा? This glomerulus is followed by the tubular part. This glomerulus is followed by tubular part. This is the tubular part, descending loop of Henle, and this is the ascending limb of Henle. Ascending limb of Henle. This is distal convoluted tubule, and this collecting duct. Last one is the collecting duct, where selective reabsorption of glucose, amino acid, salt and major amount of waste takes place. So in this structure we have to do the functioning of Bowman capsule, glomerulus, proximal convoluted tubule, distal convoluted tubule. These are the tubular part of the glomerulus. And last one is the collecting duct. Now I am explaining you the functioning of nephrons. Firstly, dirty blood containing the wastage is entered by the afferent arteriole. Afferent arteriole के थ्रू वो Bowman's capsule में आ जाएगा. Nephron helps in filtering the nitrogenous waste from the blood. Nephron किस में help करता है? It help in filtering the nitrogenous waste from the blood. द ब्लड एंटरिंग द ग्लोमुलस, जितना भी ब्लड ग्लोमुलस में एंटर करेगा, containing the waste which are filtered in the Bowman capsule. The filtrate form may contain some useful substances. इस filtrate में कुछ useful substances भी हो सकते हैं like glucose, amino acid, salt, water and urea. They are absorbed in this descending loop of Henle. This was the ultrafiltration step. Next is the reabsorption. Reabsorption of some material takes place here in the tubular part. In the tubular part, reabsorption of some material takes place. All the glucose, amino acid, mostly salt and water reabsorbed here. And rest of the substances, some water, salt and all the urea form the urine. And urine get collected here in the collecting duct. This is the collecting duct. Urine is collected here. The amount of urine formed in the body depends upon the how much waste products are present in your body and how much excess water is present in our body. Thank you.